Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add video transitions properly. So you're going to want to have more than one clip, so I'm just going to go to this part and split it, and I'm going to also go here and also split that, and then I'm going to go to transitions, and I'm going to add in select this one first, and I'm going to add in my first video transition, and you can adjust the duration here too. And I'm also going to add in another one and also adjust the duration. Then you can add in effects. For instance, I want it to go and have a shining edge later on in this video, so when the video transition happens, the effect shows up. I'm also going to change the color too and adjust the strength. This is just an example, so I'm sorry if it looks kind of weird. Maybe try something else like this one actually, just to give it a more soft look. So here, and then I'm just going to adjust it till the end of the video. And at the end, this is what it should look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!